Effects of acid rain. So we're gonna see together the effects of acid rain on our planet. First of all, the acid has detrimental effects on plants. Here we have two leaves. The first one is a normal leaf. However, the second one has been subjected to acid rain. As you can see, it is damaged. As well as it affects crop. For example, here we have an apple. Notice how its color is changed. And here, the trees have lost all of their leaves. Acid rain affects buildings and structure as well. Here we have a statue subjected to acid rain. Notice how the stone is dissolved. This building is also damaged. Moreover, acid rain affects animals. For example, fish. Fish is getting affected since when acid rain falls in lakes or rivers, the river becomes very acidic, causing the death of the fish. So these are the most important effects of acid rain. So it affects trees, animals, crop, plants, buildings, and statue.